Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how you can sign audio with a clip in Capcut apps. So you can add some photos or some images to the track, and I already have some images here, and go to audio to add the music, select sound. You can select sound available here or you can select your file, but I'm going to add the music available here, so I'm going to select the cool bit. Alright, I'm going to split the music and remove and use it. So to sign, you can click on the music and select the beat to add the beat. So I'm going to select auto generate and just click check mark. So you can see for the beat, you can see for the beat yellow dot, and all you have to do, you can split the clip, split or cut its clip exactly on its beat. Split and delete. Do as before, split, delete, split, delete until finish. Alright, and split the music and delete and use it. So here we go, this is the final result. Alright, I think it's copyrighted. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.